Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about set the print area to print the entire workbook part 2. Step 1. Access your workbook with Google Sheets in a web browser. Step 2. Choose file. Then print from Google Sheets menu bar. Step 3. Select workbook. From the print dropdown menu on the right. Step 4. Choose all sheets from the selection drop-down menu. Step 5. You see a preview your entire workbook on the left. If this looks good to you, select next at the top right center, or corner. Step 6. You will then select your printer, choose the paper size and other options to finally print your workbook. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my